I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wake up early. I wake up early. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I wake up. I wake up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink water. I drink water. I leave home. I leave home. I go to work. I go to work. I take the bus. I take the bus. I start work. I start work. I take a break. I take a break. I walk home. I walk home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I read a book. I read a book. I watch TV. I watch TV. I feel tired. I feel tired. I go to bed. I go to bed. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.